Good evening. Tonight, I'd like to talk to you about the $300 Chase Business Checking Sign-up bonus. There is a link here in the description. It is a nationwide bonus, and it is a good tool for sending payroll deposits to other bank accounts. The eligibility requirements to open a Chase Business Checking account, you'll need two forms of identification, including one government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport, your tax identification number, social security number, and individual taxpayer identification number. You can open up a Chase Business checking account as a sole proprietorship with your social security number. So that will work just fine. You could use just like a hobby you enjoy doing as your sole proprietorship, and that will work just fine. Another option would be using an LLC. You'll need to provide your employee identification number and business registration documents, which this is the option I chose when I opened up the account in person. Another option would be for you to use a limited liability partnership. You'll need to provide an agreement that shows the name of all the partners as well as the name of the business. The requirements for the bonus, you'll need to deposit $2,000 within 30 days of account opening and maintain it for 60. At the time of account opening, you aren't required to deposit any money, but you will need to deposit at least $2,000 within 30 days and keep it there for 60. You also need to make 5 qualifying transactions within 90 days. Those transactions could be debit card transactions, ACH deposits, or bill pay. I believe I used bill pay and just paid some miscellaneous expenses to meet that requirement. You'll need to keep the account open for at least 6 months, or Chase will claw back the bonus. So you want to keep that account open. Requirements. So if you do apply online and you get denied, which happened to me, I made an appointment in person using this link with a banker, and it took about 30 to 40 minutes. Went in person, opened the account, had my employee identification number and my registration documents for my LLC, and it was done. It wasn't hard at all. Pretty simple. Once all the requirements are met, the $300 posts within 15 days as a credit to your Chase Business checking account. Currently, the offer is good through January 5th, 2025, but I think that will probably be extended since Chase is known for their sign-up bonuses. I don't think they're going to end this January 5th, but right now, this is a date set to end. There is a monthly $15 fee on the Chase Business checking account. There are several ways to get that waived. The one that I use, and the main one, is to maintain a $2,000 deposit minimum daily balance. If your balance falls below $2,000 at any time, Chase will charge you a $15 fee. So just keep this $2,000 balance every day of the month. Another way to get that waived would be to spend at least $2,000 on purchases with a Chase Inc. business credit card. You can also receive $2,000 in deposits from Quick Accept transactions or other eligible payment solutions. Another way to get it waived, link a Chase Private Client Checking, JP Morgan Classic Checking, or Private Client Checking Plus account. If you're have qualifying proof of military status, active or veteran, that will also waive the fee. And as mentioned, I maintain an average daily balance of $2,000, and I keep this account as I'll explain in the next slide. Using Chase Business Checking to send employee ACH payments. So I use this to send payroll deposits to other banks for requirements for sign-up bonuses, and it works pretty well. There is a fee to use the feature. The first 10 payments are $2.50 each. After that, it's 15 cents. Chase Business Checking registers as payroll for most checking sign-up bonuses. Just reference the social security number in the payment field and put a payroll direct deposit in the comment section, and you should be fine. It's a keeper because changing employee direct deposits through your employer is time consuming, and it takes about 3 pay cycles for it to take effect. So it does save time there. Here's just a list of some of the sign-up bonuses I have used Chase Business Checking to trigger. The most recent one's not listed, but it was PenFed Credit Union. It was a $250 bonus, so it helped with that in that regard. So, I mean, this is a good account to keep. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Um, you can message me here um, in the comments, or just send me a direct message and I can respond to you. Thanks again for listening and allow me to share this information with you. And have a good night.